Okay, the last part, as we call it, is a mold, okay, mucosa-associated lymphoid tissue, including tonsils. The galled and bulk, we later talking inshallah about it at the digestive and at the respiratory system. Okay, under the tonsils we have, as we previously talking, we have a 3 type of tonsils. Number 1 is palatine tonsils. Palatine tonsils is bilateral, distributed boundary of the oral pharynx. Okay. The characteristic feature is this type of this tonsil. The superficial aspect is lined by a specific epithelial. It's stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium. As we see, stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium. These are the superficial aspect. And it can be making an invagination toward the parenchyma of these tonsils, making a structure, call it a crypt or a crypt. Okay? Invagination, I can show you the invagination toward, okay, these are a crypt. Okay, these are a crypt. Invagination toward the parenchyma of these type of tonsil, and the numbers of these crypts, it's range between 10 to 12 crypts. Okay. Also, we can find at the parenchyma of these type of tonsils both type of the lymphoid follicles, primary and secondary, as we see. Okay, look like these are a secondary lymphoid because of it have a germinal center. Okay, a germinal center. Also, this type is a secondary. These are a primary. Okay, as I point at it, all these are a parenchyma of the tonsil containing both type of lymphoid follicles, primary and secondary, and these are the aspect or called invagination crypts. Okay. And I forget talk at the deep aspect. It's surrounded by collagenous connective tissue capsule, as we see. Okay. Type number 2, it's a pharyngeal tonsil. Pharyngeal tonsil, it's a single tonsil. Also, it's lined by the superficial aspect, lined by a specific epithelium. We name it a respiratory epithelium or pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. Pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. Okay? But at this type of tonsil, we cannot find a crypts, so it's absent of a crypts, but we can find another structure. It's unfolding shallow structure called a plate, and the opening of the ductal part of salivary glands open at this plate. Okay, and at the parenchyma of this type of tonsil also we can find, as we see here, it a primary and secondary lymphoid follicle. Okay, as we see, primary and secondary lymphoid follicle. part or the third type, we don't have a slide on it, but I can explain it. The lingual tonsil. Also, it's lined by stratified squamous and keratinized epithelium, having a numerous of crypts. Okay. Also, it's having lymphoid follicles distributed through its parenchyma. And thank you very much.